Hello children, today we are going to do lesson 1 Who lives where from general knowledge book Know for sure. This is the map of our country India. India is the 7th largest country of the world. It is also the second most populous country of the world. It is the land of different cultures, traditions, religions, languages, clothes, food, and dances.
Political map of India. It shows all the states and union territories along with their capital cities. India comprises of 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of India.
Let's have a quick glance at the names of the states of India. The first one is Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. The Union Territories are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and Ladakh. Now let's take a tour of some of the states. Assam is a state in the northeastern part of India. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Here people speak Assamese language. Bihu is festival celebrated in Assam. This festival marks the beginning of Assamese New Year. Pitha is one of the famous sweet dishes of Assam. Gujarat. It is located in the western part of the India. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Here people speak Gujarati language. Navratri is the most popular festival celebrated in Gujarat. People perform dandiya dance during Navratri festival. Dhokla is one of the most famous dishes from Gujarat. Maharashtra. It is located in the western part of India. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Here people speak Marathi language. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most famous festival celebrated by Marathi people. Vada pav is their favorite dish.
Punjab, famously known as the land of five rivers. It is located in the northern part of India. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. People here speak Punjabi language. Lohri is the most famous festival celebrated here. During the festival, people perform Bhangra dance around the bonfire. Makki di roti and sarson da saag is one of the favorite dishes of Punjabi people.
Next, move on to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is located in the southern part of India. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Here people speak Tamil language. Pongal is celebrated by the people here. This festival is celebrated for 3 days. Idli sambar is the favorite dish of the people living in Tamil Nadu. West Bengal. West Bengal is located in the eastern part of India. Kolkata is the capital of India. People here speak Bengali language and celebrate Durga Puja with great zeal and enthusiasm. Sandesh is one of the most favorite dishes of Bengali people. Now children, this is Noi. Noi's friends live in different states of India. Read the clues and help Noi find out in which state each of his friends lives. Arnab lives in Kolkata. He speaks Bengali and celebrates Durga Puja. He belongs to West Bengal. Very nice. Alka lives in Gandhinagar. She speaks Gujarati and loves to play dandiya. She belongs to which state? She belongs to Gujarat. Very good. Vinod lives in Mumbai. He speaks Marathi and celebrates Ganesh Chaturthi. He belongs to Maharashtra. Meena lives in Chennai and speaks Tamil. She celebrates Pongal. She belongs to which state? She belongs to Tamil Nadu. Karan lives in Chandigarh. He celebrates Lohri and speaks Punjabi. He belongs to which state? He belongs to Punjab. Brinda lives in Dispur. She celebrates Bihu and speaks Assamese. She belongs to Assam. Very good, children. Now, children, talk to your parents and explore more about different states of India, the cultures, the festivals, food, religions, and enjoy the tour of incredible India. Thank you, children.